A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means gend. C for cat, cat means billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machali. G for grapes, grapes means angur. H for hen, hen means morgi. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means safe. M for monkey, monkey means bandar. N for nest, nest means ghonsla. O for orange, orange means santara. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rabbit, rabbit means khargosh. S for sun, sun means surya. T for tiger, tiger means bug. U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata. V for van, van means van. W for watch, watch means gadi. X for Xmas tree, Xmas tree means Christmas tree. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. बाय बाय बच्चों, अब हम चलते हैं अगली वीडियो की तरफ। तब तक प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल। थैंक यू।